Hey guys, Gamalam Oyama. I am super excited about today's chat. It's a really good day. Well, I don't know how my day will go, but like it's sunny out, so that's a good day for me. Okay, so the first time I got into trouble was, I'm going to tell you about when I was 7 years old, and then the second time was in like high school. And I was in class and there was no teacher, so you know what happens. Okay, 2001, I'm 7 years old, and Christina Aguilera, is that Aguilera, however you say her surname, she just released a song in collaboration with Little Kim, Pink, and Maya. Well, so I'm in the lounge at home and the song is playing. Now, this was not the first time the song was playing. This one time, my mom was at home. This one day, my mom just chose to be home. I don't know why, but okay. So my mom's at home and the song starts playing on TV. Guys, let me show you. This was me. Okay, it's safe to say my mom walks in and I'm dancing to the song and I'm so excited. I'm smiling. I'm trying to do the moves that are on TV. Guys, my mom didn't ask questions. Well, she did. But like she asked questions while she was beating me. Guys, guys, the first question she asked me when she hit me was, what are you watching? Oyama, what are you watching? What are you doing? What are you playing? Do you even understand the meaning of this song? What are you trying to do? You are too young to be listening to this. Guys, I remember the whole conversation because at that time, like with guys, guys, that song traumatized me, and I think after 2001, the next time I listened to that song after I got that hiding was in 2013 and I was 19. Guys, hey, I shame. And when I first heard the song in 2013, I was like, yo, Kanini Lengoma still exists. And all I could remember then before I watched the video was that they were wearing lingerie and there was red. There was lots of red. Guys, that's how bad it was. That's how bad it was, guys. And I just never forget this. But guys, how cool is it that my mom does not remember a single thing about that hiding? She just doesn't. She's like, I told her, I was like, Mama, you one better. And I never listened to it again. I remember in 2013, my mom was like, what are you talking about? I was like, guys, like, hi, Nyan, that better, Nyan. It's like, Mama, you did. And she's like, that's my situation. Yeah. So the next song that got me into trouble, guys, is, okay, now this one is very inappropriate. I hope my mom doesn't ever like find this video because that would be so awkward. So I'm in high school and we're in class and there's no teacher in class. And this was like, it was normal for our class to always be like the rowdy class, because yeah, I was in the rowdy class, but like that day, guys, there were no teachers in the classes, so everyone was doing nonsense. Fine. Now I start dancing and singing a song. And if you are from Mthatha and you don't know this song and you matriculated from 2013 and before that, if you matriculated around those times and you don't know the song, we are just taking your card away because wow. So this was me on my desk. Now you can see how inappropriate that was. And I was the class rep. I was on my desk dancing and singing to the song. Then, guys, my teacher, I'm gonna call her Mrs. S. She walks in. Guys, I'm still on the desk and I just start, like, as I'm going down, she's like, "Is up? Now, then she starts calling everyone she saw. Is that up? Is that up? Hi, we go to the front, guys, and we're in trouble, and it was just wow. Fine. She's like, "Who's the class rep?" Who's the class rep? And everyone just points at me. Like, "Mntanam, uyi-class rep, uphezu kwedesika uyajiva." I couldn't even answer her because I was like, guys, I got, like, she was like, "Everyone else must sit down." She was like, "Everyone else must sit down. Wena izanam." I was like, I'm getting a hiding. Guys, I'm going to get a hiding for dancing and singing in class. D class rep. Oh, I was so stressed. Fine. We walk out of the class and we go to our office. Guys, I was so sure that day that I was going to get a hiding. I was like, yo, we walk in. Mntanam, don't come along. As class rep, you're supposed to set an example. She gave it to me. Guys, fortunately for me with that one, I didn't get into like trouble. She just told me to go make her tea, and that was it. But guys, I was so stressed. And guys, I had a good girl reputation at school. I had a good girl reputation to keep. And guys, Joga, those 2 times I got into trouble were just, yeah, I'll never forget those times. But guys, I had an interesting situation with trouble and music and dancing. I really hope you enjoyed my story. That's the end of it. I just wanted to share it with you guys because of a tweet that I saw, and it just reminded me of those times, guys. Every time I see something that asks about high school in trouble, I think of those 2 times, like when I was a child in high school. Oh, my soul. So, yeah.